continuing its firm stand against the state government's apparent failure to repeal the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021, Christian leaders on Friday held a special prayer meeting at the KJP Assembly Chapel in Shillong. Congregating under the banner of the Khasi Jaintia Christian Leaders Forum, several church leaders and also BJP MLA AL Hek attended the prayer meet. Bishop Peelingdale, the president of KJCLF, expressed his concerns over the government's apparent refusal to roll back the Contentious Act. KJCLF Secretary Reverend E.H. Kharkongor, interacting exclusively with EastMojo, informed why they're opposing the Contentious Act.
Following the government's failure to repeal the Meghalaya Regulations Gaming Act in the state, the Khasi Jaintia Christian Leaders Forum have once again come together to organize a special prayer here, and I'm being joined by the General Secretary of KJCLF, Reverend Kharkongor. Firstly, Reverend, if you can tell us why again the special prayer that is being held today.
You know, as a forum, when we have taken this issue up, just like our president has said in his speech today, we don't give up. When we are standing for a cause, when we are working for a cause that we know is good and also that is for the future of our state, for the future of our youth.
The forum has been quite vocal against the government's move to set up casinos in the state to increase revenue. The KJCLF, along with other stakeholders, has been pressurizing the government to change its stand as they will not endorse gambling. Although the Meghalaya government has decided to halt the move to set up casinos, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has refused to repeal the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act and rules which was passed last year.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EastMojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.